It is a pleasure to stand at this podium and give words of support to the government and the people of Aruba. For me, this entire matter, and hence my reason for traveling to Aruba, is quite a principled reason to start with. I believe that this again is a show of lack of respect for each other within the kingdom. And some of you might recall that in the year 2013, the government and people of St. Martin experienced a similar handling, a similar treatment by the kingdom government. At that time, it was about an integrity investigation that the kingdom government wanted to impose upon St. Martin. The government of St. Martin, and me in particular, having traveled to the Netherlands on several occasions to express our disagreement with the way that the kingdom government sought to give an instruction to the governor of St. Martin to have this investigation carried out. When we raised our objections in the Netherlands to the kingdom government at the time, it was felt that St. Martin was objecting against an integrity investigation. However, we stressed then, and we kept saying, that it was about the way that the kingdom government wanted to treat St. Martin. We also indicated that if it was accepted that the kingdom government would use the person and the office of the governor of any of the countries to carry out something that the kingdom government wanted to do, like in the case of St. Martin, an integrity investigation, to use a Dutch paraphrase, the heck would be van de dam. And clearly, you will see that the kingdom government is more and more using the position and the instrument of the governor of these countries to execute and interfere in matters that are of the autonomous countries. Even more so in the case of Aruba, Aruba with a much longer history of being an autonomous country within the Dutch kingdom. So for me again, and for St. Martin, it is a principal issue in terms of these type of decisions taken against the objections of the countries. And naturally, I have followed the whole event, the whole situation that has developed on Aruba. And in addition, of course, to that principled feeling and sentiment is the fact that there is a very long relationship between the two countries of Aruba and St. Martin.